fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the cloud and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire, fire, fire. This girl is on fire. Hey, she's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Jasmine. All right. You are on fire. But what I want you to do is sing the fire in the right note. So it was a little bit below. So it's fire. It has been la la. And you were like fire. So it was, and I said push it up, Jasmine. What it was, so make sure you probably pitch it a little bit lower so that you're more comfortable singing the note. That is my advice.
Conroy.
Jasmine, you have the package, but trust me, that song was not on fire. You were a little off key, and I don't know what happened in the middle where the key changed or whatever it is. You really need to get more on fire for next week if you're going to be back.
Anthony.
Jasmine, you quenched my fire. Yeah, it went wrong from the start, you know, and it was just kind of like a train wreck. Sorry about that.
Thanks, judges.